Hello, in front of me I've got Renault ARKANA. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster display. To navigate through instrument cluster display, we are going to use panel on the right side of the steering wheel. Firstly, this panel changes the screen. We've got three screens: top left, top right, and middle. Thanks to arrows up down, we can navigate through current screen, and thanks to OK button, we can confirm or reset values. And what we can find here. Firstly, we can find car status and energy flow, coolant temperature, blank screen, average fuel consumption, trip A and average speed, eco indicator, current fuel consumption, and that's it. Next, in the top right screen, we can check radio, navigation, compass, and in the bottom screen we can check vehicle status and tire indicator. Here we've got the range, and on the left side we can find the odometer. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.